Ladies and gentlemen, before we get into the video of Mr. Job Sikhala being free from prison, I want you to watch what other countries, what Malawi is doing to its citizens, what Malawi is doing, the Israeli, the secret meetings and the secret trade that is happening between Malawi, the citizens of Malawi and Israel. Please watch this.
Do you know Africa will never be free from imperialism? It just never will be. Can you believe that Malawi, the president of Malawi, in a secret deal with the Israeli government, has sent off their young people to go pick farm fruits and vegetables? Do you see the corruption? They gave him $60 million. And these poor people obviously want to work, but the deal of them working is like they're going to get $1,000 a month. And out of that $1,000, they have to pay for their airfare and processing and their boarding and living. Does that remind you of what we do here in the U.S. to our farm workers? It is so disgusting that these so-called democracies, of which we are being told day after day that Israel is the only democracy in the Middle East, will go into Africa, pay off the presidents, and get black people to work for white people. Because that's what Israel is, a white ethno-state. I cannot believe this. I really and truly cannot believe it. In the 21st fucking century, we're still going into Africa to enslave people, and the African leaders of some of these countries are just as bad as the Western democracies. It is absolutely disgusting.
We are going to start the engine soon, and we will be on our way to the Holy Land of Israel. So, my name is Mr. Guest. I am the consul of Malawi in Israel, and I will be the one that's taking care of you in case you need any help, in case you find any difficulty, any kind. You should have my phone number, my personal phone number, and you can call me at any time, and I will make sure that as much as we can help you, so you don't feel completely disconnected from home. So I will be, for the next 5 years, I will be your home. If you need anything, I will be your father, your mother, your aunt, your grandfather, anything you need. I really want to, thank you. Thank you very much. I really want to welcome you to Israel. I just came this morning from Israel. The country needs you. What you are doing is not simple. What you are doing have a big say to the people of Israel. You are coming at this difficult time to help us to work on the agriculture. You know, Israel is a country where very important for us, the agriculture. And I feel a lot of similarity with Malawi. That's why the first country in Africa that got the possibility to bring workers to Israel, and for 5 years, not for 1, not for 2, and not for 3, for 5 years, it's Malawi. I hope that test and that first airplane will bring much, much, much more in the future. Because the idea is to have few thousand of workers in Israel, where we exchange not only money between working and an employee, but also culture, also knowledge. I want you to take the maximum you can for that beautiful time you're going to have in Israel, to study, to learn. And then when you come back home, you do your own little business with the knowledge of Israel. And that's the goal, because it's not only, I don't see it only as a mission of work. I see also as a mission of discovery of things that can help you in the future. I want to take the Minister of Finance. I want to take the Minister of Homeland Security. And above all of that, I want to take the President, that he is the one that encouraged us to go and to make it happen. So our trip today, it's not only because it's a commercial activity, no. There is a lot of political activity behind that, and that's a success. That's a success. So when people will see it, and they will see you coming to Israel, and they will understand that it's possible, we can do. Yes, we can do. Let's do it all together. Let's enjoy that time that we're all going to do together. And I really wish all of you and your family, because I know I am a father and I'm a grandfather. I know how your parents will miss you.
Anyway, moving on from everything that you've seen and everything you've heard is true, but the High Court of Zimbabwe has ruled that both the conviction and sentencing of Mr. Job Sikhala is illegal, and he was falsely convicted by the magistrate court. He is a political prisoner and must be released. Guys, are you going to just allow this to happen? I mean, imagine you've been wrongfully arrested, you've been wrongfully sentenced to jail. He's been in jail for over 500 days, guys. But what is shocking, what mainly happens in other countries when somebody has been falsely accused or falsely sentenced into jail or prison, what they usually do is compensate you after you come out, but none of this is going to happen. The government is just going to act like nothing happened. They're going to move on from it like nothing happened. Meanwhile, he was in surgery. As I have heard, he undergone surgery earlier today, and diligently informed me that he's rigidly strong and sends words of gratitude, greetings, and love for everyone that supported. We deeply are grateful for the steadfast support. And the most devastating thing about this whole thing is that while he was in surgery too, they were still holding him, like they had chains on his feet, like he had still chains on his feet. Still, the police was there. There was no freedom. I want to say this freedom. Ever since the court has ruled over him, that means the man is free. Now, what's left for the gates of prison is for them to open, unless if they want to bring up another crime against him, so that they just can keep him in court. And you do realize that this man is a man of war. He's a man of action. So ZANU-PF is scared. He's very scared of this man. How cruel the ZANU-PF regime is. A political prisoner, opposition leader and lawyer Job Sikhala has been illegally detained without bail. Is going through surgery. The ZANU-PF regime insisted that he will be in leg irons even when he is on the bed. Anyway, guys, moving on. Make sure that you subscribe, like, and share this video with others, and celebrate with others while we celebrate the rule of law for once, upholding the justice. There's a kid who died in Poland, and people are actually calling for your help, a shout for help, GoFundMe. And if you have anything to give to this kid to come back home, he died, he's a Zimbabwean who died in Poland, who wants to come back home and rest these relatives. So make sure that you go to my Twitter page, GoFundMe. I'll clip the link under this video on the description video, so that you can be able to help this kid. And thank you for watching.